Hello everyone, this is my first video in English, so excuse me for my bad English. This video is for fix the bug in the prototype 1 and 2. The bug is the next. When you play the game, the screen turn on black and close the game. The, you can you can't start the game, okay? The fix is the first step is locate the folder, okay? The folder is system, okay? System, uh, files, program files, steam apps, common, and prototype 1 or 2, okay? And the next is create a new document, new document, okay? New document, and paste this. This is in the description, okay? In the description of this video, your copy and paste this or that. I so bad in English, sorry. Okay. When you save this document, save what? Okay. In the name, we can start, but yeah, start. But the important part is the next point, cmd, okay? Save. Can close these windows and this is the solution, okay? Now can open the game with the script, sorry. Can create directly access from the windows, okay? Now start the game from here, okay? Important, steam must be we must be steam open, okay? Steam, not prototype from the steam must be open, and ours open the prototype from this access, okay? And this is all, so thank you. Como diríamos acá, buena suerte, espero que les sirva. Ya no me sé esa parte, así que bye bye.